The Shape Optimization tool in Fusion 360 allows designers to intelligently reduce material in their designs without compromising on the structural integrity. So here we have a simple plate which will be fixed at these two locations. There will be loads acting at these three locations. We are currently in the design workspace. Go to the simulation workspace and select Shape Optimization and create study. Now let's start by defining the constraints. These are the locations where the part will be fixed in space. Go to Constraints, Structural Constraints. We are going to select these two faces and hit OK. Once confirmed, you can see a lock icon beside the faces selected. Next, we will define the loads. Go to Loads, Structural Loads. Remember that we have 3 intended loads and we will be assigning these one at a time. Select this face and set a load of 50 newtons, perpendicular to the face. Hit OK, and we will repeat the same steps to assign loads to the next 2 faces. Once that is done, you will see the assigned loads indicated by arrows. We now have the basic minimum setup to do a shape optimization study. Go to Solve, Solve. We will select the current project and solve this study. Depending on the complexity of the model, it might take some time to solve. Once the results are out, you will get a glimpse of what are the critical areas of the model. You can adjust the load path criticality to get a better sense of how the loads are transmitted throughout the structure. To use the optimized body, go to Result Tools, Promote. Select to add Mesh Object to the Model workspace. You will be brought into the design workspace with 2 bodies: your original design and the new optimized body. You can use the optimized body as a template from which you can create sketches to trim your original design accordingly.